to 6th standard. I welcome you all back for this new session, and we are in lesson 6, les amis de Caroline. So regarding this lesson, so far we have seen the French translation, and we have learned this l'article défini and les nationalités, and I gave you some homework. Last class you wrote the online test as nationalities, and this plural form I explained you, and I gave you exercise number 3, 5 as a homework, and I said strike out exercise number 4 and exercise number 6, 7 and 8. So these exercises will not be there for your half yearly, because these exercises are écoutez based exercise, so that cannot be done here. Okay, so these exercises will not be there. Écoutez, it will not be there. So today what we are going to see is, so I asked you to do this as a homework, exercise number 3 and 5. So I will revise on that first. Okay, so I said I will discuss on that, so I will revise on that first. After completing that, we will see numbers. Okay, so numbers from 50 to 100. I told that after second midterm we will see 50 to 100 for half yearly portion, so that we will see today. Okay, so I'll show you the answer key for this. Okay, here we are, l'article indéfini et défini. So this is the answer key for exercise number 3. So I'll discuss on this one by one, and then slowly we'll go to exercise number 5, and then we'll see numbers. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, so the first and foremost rule here, it is given in indéfini. Okay, so these things we have to convert into défini. So that is the first and foremost thing. Indéfini means indefinite article, défini is definite article. So une image is feminine and image. So if it is converted to défini, it is L apostrophe, because it starts with a vowel. Okay, but second one, if you see, even this is starting with a vowel, that is E, accent, accent aigu, but this is a plural word, des élèves. So instead of L apostrophe, we should add les, because plural has more weightage than vowel. Third word is un tableau. Don't write now, just listen, and then I will give you time to write. Un tableau. So un indicates what? Masculine. So le tableau. Des livres, les livres. Des cahiers, les cahiers. So whenever it is plural, definitely it is les. Un vaisseau. So here there is a small mistake, X should not come, so don't take this, but the answer is correct, L apostrophe OISCAU, because this is given in singular, but X indicates it is a plural, so there is a small correction. Here you stop with U. Okay, second one is plural, des vaisseaux. This one is absolutely correct, that is LESOISEAUX. So this is perfect. Des chaises, that will be converted to les chaises. Une chaise, la chaise. Un banc, le banc. So whenever it is un, it is le. Whenever it is une, it is la. So it is as simple as that. Des stylos, les stylos. Une élève, l'élève. See here, élève is not having an S, so that means it is singular. So if we compare this with this, so here it is plural, but here it is singular. Even though it is UNE, I cannot write LA. Why? Because this is starting with a vowel. Now the weightage is for vowel, so L apostrophe. Un pupitre, that is le pupitre. Un is le. Une corbeille, la corbeille. So une la. Une horloge, l'horloge. See, again it is une here, but L apostrophe, actually it should be la, by since it is starting with a vowel, it is L apostrophe. So these things you have to just memorize, or you have to just understand. Des professeurs, les professeurs. Des copains, les copains. So if the word is ending with a S, that means it is plural, so obviously it is les. Now une copine, la copine. So the word ends with a e, as well as it is starting with une. Une means it is feminine and indefinite article, so la. Un avion, but here it becomes L apostrophe. Why? Because it starts with a vowel. Des vélos, les vélos. Une voiture, la voiture. So with this we are completing un défini et défini. Okay. Now the next exercise is exercise number 4, that is omitted. Now we will go to exercise number 5. Okay. So chaise is feminine, so la chaise, les chaises. This is exceptional, le musée, les musées. Okay, so these things you have to memorize. You might have a doubt, sir, this word is ending with e, so la. Even this word ends with the e, but why it is la? Musée alone, it is an exceptional word, it is a masculine word, so we are using le. La corbeille, les corbeilles. So here first one is l'article défini, this is masculine or feminine, and this side fully it is plural. Same word, two things. Okay, l'horloge, les horloges. L'élève, les élèves. Why we have given this separately is because vowel we might confuse. See, L apostrophe, les. So to understand it better, it is given. And exercise number 6, 7. It is not for there for the exam, but I have given the answers. But because there are few things which is related to the nationality. Okay, so definitely I will not ask this for exam. See, already I have given omitted for exam, but answers are given only for practice. That means you can just have an idea. Okay, so these exercises you need not omitted. Whatever exercise which I have written as omitted, you need not write in the class book. Okay, you can straight away write which is there in the answer key. So this is an answer key. Hope you will be receiving this very shortly. So I'll tell you what is there in this answer key. Okay, so this is the French 6th standard French answer key for half-yearly exam. So this answer key, the portion for half-yearly is 4, 5 and 6. Lesson 4, 5 and 6. And this answer key for lesson 4 and lesson 5, French passage was already given for second midterm. So regarding lesson 4 and lesson 5, already the French passage and the English passage translation was given, and this is the continuation of it. Okay, so what will this answer key will have? This answer key has the solution of exercises from lesson 5 and lesson 6. So lesson 5 completely all the answers will be here. So as I already said, if it is omitted for exam, no need to write it in your classwork. Just for practice, when you are free, you can just see that. Lesson 5 answers are here. Okay, so lesson 6, the French translation and nationality answers, météo pluriel. So even if you have this answer key, it will be very useful for your half-yearly exam. It's a very small answer key. So if you want to prepare for half-yearly, two answer key you need, that is half-yearly answer key and second midterm answer key. So both the answers key will help you to learn for the half-yearly exam. And since few people what they are thinking, if we have the answer key, no need to write classwork. So that's not the case. When you write and practice the new language which you are learning, it will be easy for you. So please write the classwork and submit it on time. I get lot of late submission, so that case I will note your names. So that is not good. Please don't make me to note your names. Okay, so I might award you minus marks if you lately submit your classwork. Okay, so keep it on time and make your classwork perfect, write neatly. Okay, so now today's portion will go. Before that, I'll explain what is the today's online test. So this is what we have learned today, that is refait avec les articles indéfinis, définis. So exercise number 3, this, I think exercise number 3 we can write it as online test, am I right? Okay, so today's online test we will write exercise number 3. And what is your today's homework? Your today's homework is complete lesson 6. Lesson 6 fully, okay, you have to complete. Okay, so that is your task for today. So I think we can continue now all of you take lesson 4, page number 51. Lesson 4, page number 51, I want you to take. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, so now what I am going to do is I am going to teach you from 50 to 100. Okay, so till 1 to 50 you know, so that I will not ask for affili. Okay, straight away from 50 to 100 alone I will ask. So let's revise 50 to 100. 50, please repeat with me. 51, 52, 53. So even if you know, please repeat. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay, so this word might be new to you. So 60. So 50, if you know, you will be able to tell the next 9, 51, 52, 53. So till 59 you will be able to tell that. That is known to everyone. So the new word which is known, which you have to learn from today is 60. 60 means 60. Okay, so 60, please repeat. 60, 60. Okay, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So normally what we will do, till 9 we will go with the same 69, right? But here it is 70. Yeah, why? Because there is no separate word for 70. So what they are doing, 60 is 60. Okay, so 60 plus 10. Okay, 60 plus 10. So 60, 10, that is 70. Now 50, 60, you know, 50 is 50 and 60 is 60. Now 71, see how they are writing 71. 60 plus 11. So you know 11 to 20, right? Same thing. If you know that, it is very easy. 71, 11, 71, 72, 73, 74, soixante-quinze, 75. Soixante-seize, see 77 how they are saying. Soixante-dix-sept, soixante-dix-huit, soixante-dix-neuf. So 50 to 60, no confusion. Okay, 60 to 70, 70 alone there is a small change. See, 60 plus 10, soixante-dix. So 70 to 71, you must know 60. Okay, for 60 what it is, soixante. Okay, so 60 plus 11, so 11, O-N-E-Z-E, 11. So if you know 11 to 20, this will be easy. Okay, so 60 plus 11, 71, 60 plus 12, 72, 60 plus 13, 73. Yeah, this is a little confusing, but it will be easy if you practice. Okay, so that's why I have divided from 1 to 50 for second midterm and 50 to 100 for half yearly. Okay, now we will proceed. Now we have learned till 79, that is 60 plus 19, that is 79. Okay, soixante-dix-neuf. Now 80, see 4 means 4. Okay, 20 means 20. 4 into 20s, see there is an S here. 4 into 20 how much? 80. So for this alone you will have an S. Okay, so the upcoming there will not be S. Okay, so only once. 4 into 20, 80. So 80 is 80. 80. So 4 into 20 already you said 80, but here S will not come because another number is adding. So 81, 82. So now 1 to 9, if you know, it will be easy. Only the first word might be confusing, 60, 70, 80. So other 9 or 10 it will be easy. Okay, 80, 82, that is 82. 82, 83. So when you write the numbers, this hyphen between the numbers are very important. Okay, so that you do not forget. So 84 is 84. So 4 into 20 is 80. 80 plus 4, 84. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So already what we did 69, 70 what we did, 70 was 60 plus 10. The same way 80 plus 10. Okay, 80 is 80 plus 10, 90. Okay, do you remember? Okay, now 91. Already what we did for 71, 60 plus 11. The same way 80 plus 11. So what we learnt here, 80 means 80. So 80 plus 10, 90, 80 plus 11, 91, 80 plus 12, 92. So 80, 11, 80, 12, 80, 13, 80, 14, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, so it will be easy. I will give you a clue. See, from 60 to 69, okay, 60 to 69, this word soixante will repeat. Okay, 70 to 79, again this word soixante will repeat, but the difference between this and this is first 60 to 70 and the trois will come, but for when you touch 70 it will become onze, douze, treize. Okay, the same way from 80 to 90 and the trois will come. 80 is the common word, the last ending word will be and the trois. Okay, but when you become 90 it will become 90, 91. So the same thing which you did for 71, 72, you have to repeat here for 91, 92. Okay. I think this will be little confusing. That is why I have not kept this as an online test today. So that is why I have taken from lesson 6 itself, that is exercise number 3. This 50 to 100 definitely we will do online test, but not today, in the upcoming class. Okay. So what you do is 50 to 100 you write in your classwork and you practice. Okay. So out of this 50 to 100 I will ask only 10 numbers. I need 10 numbers I will ask. Okay. So you practice this. Next class also I will again revise once again. After we complete this, what I will do is I will keep an online test on this. Okay. So today no online test on numbers. Okay. Instead what I am giving is lesson 6 exercise number 3. L'article défini and défini. And défini to défini will convert. No, that exercise we will write as an online test. So I gave you 2 homeworks. One is learning these numbers from 50 to 100. Okay. Second thing is your classwork completion for writing homework. Okay. And for your online test is lesson 6 exercise number 3. Fine. So again in next class I will revise this from 50 to 100. That will be easy for you. Since this is the first time you are seeing this, it will be little different or little confusing. When you start learning this, you will find it interesting. Fine. Okay. So we are at the end of this session. So kindly practice this and make yourself confident before going to the exam. Okay. So I repeat 50 to 100 for half yearly. Okay. No need to learn 1 to 50. Okay. 50 to 100 alone. Fine. Okay guys, thank you all. Please keep your classwork updated and complete your task then and there. Okay, these things will ensure your mark and definitely you will get a good mark. Fine. Okay, so priority things what we have to finish first, finish it first. Okay, so that will lead us to set a next goal. Fine. Okay guys, please prepare well for this today's online test, that is lesson 6 exercise number 3. Fine. Merci. Bonne journée.